Hello guys, today I am going to show you my recent Arduino truck. This truck can be controlled by using Arduino Uno, USB hose shield along with Bluetooth dongle and motor driving shield. And this one is for this steering. This is a servo motor and this is going to powered by using 6 volts battery, and this is a geared motor, and this is double tire rear, and this is the chassis of the truck. This chassis has been made from a plastic frame which is going to use while wiring the house. This is used as a cover for the wires. Why this is used for home wiring purpose. And this is how it looks. You can see the chassis, and then this is the front of the truck and all the components. Let me turn over this truck and show you. This is the geared motor. These are two bearings which has been taken by CPU fans so that it can create less friction among these tires and this chassis, because these tires are going to, or no, these axles are going to touch the chassis. To avoid that one, I have installed these two bearings. Okay, and this geared motor is very powerful. It can lift up to 5 kgs. And one interesting thing about this truck is this truck can be controlled by using PS4 controller, PlayStation 4 controller. As you heard it correct, this can be controlled by using PlayStation 4 controller. Let me power on this truck. This is the powering wire. Now I have power, and this wire goes here, and there is a wiring which takes the power from this cable and here, and it goes to this Arduino board. And again, that in that wire only there will be 4 cores. 2 cores is power going to this Arduino board, and 2 are coming for the signal which has been given to this motor, gear motor. Now the power is on. You can see on this motor driving shield. Let me power off. Yeah, LED has been turned off. Let me turn off my flashlight so that you can see it well. Now I'm going to, yes, can, are you able to see that light? Yes, it means the power is on. Let me show you how to pair this Bluetooth dongle with this controller. Hold the share button, hold share button along with PlayStation button. First hold the share button first, and then hold this PlayStation button for 5 seconds. It will start blinking. At minimum of 10 seconds it stop blinks, and again you just press this PlayStation button and the blinking of CSR, this Bluetooth dongle, changes. See, this light goes constant, and here also this PlayStation 4 light also glow goes constant. And this is the steering control. and this one is accelerator. As you can see, the back tire is rolling. If I want to take this truck backwards, you have to press this button, X button, so the gear changes and the tire rotates backwards. Again, if I want to go forward, then press this triangle button and you are good to go. And this is like actual accelerator only. If you give small amount of pressure, the tire rotates slowly. As I am going to increase the accelerator or pressure on this button, the tire rotates faster. It is same as accelerator only. Let me put some weight so that it can move forward. This is a power bank, my power bank. I'm going to put here, and this is the hard disk. Again, I'm going to put here only so that it gets some weight so that it can move forward. I'm going to give the command to go forward and then accelerator. The truck started to move. You can also handle the steering at the same time. This is all about the project.